Hey guys, welcome to Full 90 Football. Today we're going to be making banana bread blondies. And so here's everything you'll need. The recipe will be down in the description below. Here's my girlfriend. She's going to add 1 stick of melted butter. And then move on to a cup of brown sugar. Taking her time. Then 1 teaspoon of salt. And she's just going to mix that together. Make sure all the chunks and everything's nice and mixed.
And next, you're going to crack 1 egg. This is Evan telling me that if he messes up, that we'll have to retake it. Let's see if he'll be successful. Woohoo! How impressive. And look at that, a hidden Mickey. So next what you're going to do is you're going to add 2 teaspoons of vanilla. Then you're going to add 1.5 teaspoons of cinnamon. And third, you are going to add some banana. So you just peel 1 banana and you break it in half. Then you use a fork, and you're just gonna mash it up till it's all mashed. So now you're going to add the banana to the batter. And now you're going to mix it all together so that it is nice and smooth. Now that it is nice and smooth, you're going to add 1 cup of flour to the mixture. And you can blend it, mix it until it is completely mixed together without any clumps.
Next, you're going to want to spray a non-stick spray into an 8x8 pan, making sure not to get it all over the floor like Kenzie just did. And then proceed to put the mix in there. Then you're going to smooth it out, make sure it's nice and even, somewhat. You're going to put it into the oven at 350 for 22 minutes, or until it's nicely cooked.
And now we are going to move on to making the frosting. You want to put it on medium heat, and you're going to use half a stick of butter, and you are going to melt it, but make sure you keep stirring it so that it does not burn. Keep stirring, keep stirring. And then once it is a nice amber brown, we're going to add 6 tablespoons of brown sugar. And then you're going to add 2 tablespoons of milk. And then you're going to mix it together till it is nice and smooth. Then you are going to let it boil, and then once it is done for a few seconds, you are going to want to remove it from the heat. and you're going to let it sit for 10 minutes. And now that we have waited the 10 minutes, you're going to mix it together a little bit. Now you're going to add 1 cup of powdered sugar and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Then you're going to whisk it together until it is nice and creamy.
Once you take out the Blondies, you can put the icing straight on without letting it cool, making sure to just get it flattened and iced all over. Now the Blondies are ready to enjoy. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below.